Preparing for mediation is vital. It's not a meeting where you simply show up and be ready to hear what's going to be said. What I encourage everyone to do is sit down and think very clearly about what you want out of the mediation and what you think might be fair and reasonable to work out. For example, the idea is at the end of the mediation, you end up, if you have children, with a parenting plan. And then the other document is a marital settlement agreement, which addresses all the money issues. Sometimes I recommend even drafting those ahead of time, even if there's blanks, if you're not sure what ultimately is going to come out in some of the details. But so you know what the format looks like. You're not walking in there trying to negotiate and draft everything all at the same time. If you have a lawyer, call your lawyer. If they haven't called you to prepare for mediation, you should absolutely have a mediation preparation meeting. You need to sit down with them to make sure you've discussed all the angles of your case. Also, understand that that day you may be signing the final paperwork. Sometimes people are surprised by that, but that is really an opportunity to settle everything and sign it right there so it's prepared to go to the judge for a final hearing. Also, be prepared that it may take a long time. It is not unusual for me to do an entire day of mediation. A lot of people come in and think, oh, we'll be done by lunch. Not so much. It can take the entire day, sometimes even more than one day, depending on how complicated the issues. Also, be prepared and not be surprised that it does in fact cost money and you pay the mediator. So understand ahead of time, am I paying the mediator? Is the other side paying the mediator? How's that handled? What is the charge? So you're ready for that as well. At the end of the mediation, usually the fee is collected by the mediator.